Chickpeas and spinach baked with a wedge of Greek feta. It really doesn't get much better than this. To make it, drizzle a little extra virgin Greek olive oil into a baking dish. Place 6 to 8 cups of raw spinach on the bottom of the baking dish, then sprinkle and knead with a little sea salt to soften everything up a bit. Add 2 cups of cooked chickpeas to the spinach. Good quality canned or fined. Look for low sodium and preferably organic. Sprinkle a large chopped onion and a teaspoon of chopped garlic on top. Mix in about 1/3 of a cup of chopped fresh dill and add 2 cups of teardrop tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and a little black pepper. Wiggle it all around so that everything fits and is mixed a little bit. Then place a wedge of Greek feta in the center of the mixture, drizzle with a little more extra virgin Greek olive oil, and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and all melted together and the feta is pretty much melted. Swirl the melted feta into the spinach chickpea mixture, serve it up, and crack a smile.